We create alt tags using an AI language model. We're using Perplexity. This should be able to be done with ChatGPT as well. And so what we do is, so we have these, here's our spreadsheet, and we have the source page, which you're not going to need. Um, we're going to generate these URLs with AI, so AI generated, and this is what it comes back with, which is not always correct. And this is actually the image URL, and this is the edited version. A lot of these are just samples, so we just take the product name and sample. Sometimes it's in a bathroom, it's a countertop in a bathroom, so we'll want to identify that. You'll see how this is done. I'm going to do 10 of these on video so you can have a better idea how this is done. Okay, so here is the prompt that I've come up with, and here's the prompt that I'm using. I'm going to provide 5 URLs at a time, and I want you to create an alt tag based on what you see in the image. Include the product name, where it is applied, like if it's applied to a floor, a counter, a wall, and then the room type, bathroom, living room. Okay, so this is the prompt. I'm going to put this into Perplexity. Okay, I provide you, all right, so I give them this, and then I would just say, here's an example, and here are the first 5 URLs. This is what I used exactly the first time. So I can just paste this in again for an example. Okay, and so let's take the next 5. So the next 5, 1 second. Okay, so let's take the next 5. So those are here, and we are on this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could probably do more than 5. We could do 10 at a time, but let's just 5 is a decent number to start with. Okay, so go back to Perplexity. I'm going to paste these here. Okay, hit send. Okay, and this is going to print these out for me. And I can get the next 5 ready while this is going. Go and grab the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And so once this outputs, okay, it gave me their output there. So I'll say, here's the next 5. It already kind of understands that this is the next 5, and it's going to start working on them. Okay. And so what I'll do while that's being done, I'm going to grab these 5. And what I do is just, instead of use this copy, I find it's easier just to copy what I need here. And I use a website called controlc.com. And it just helps me kind of what we call wash them. And what I can do is take it, and then I can paste it. So this is what I'll call this is generated alt tag. So I paste it in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here it is. Let me go grab the next 5. Okay, here's the next 5. Copy, Control C, paste it into the Control C website. Control Alt, Control C, and then I will paste it in here for the next 5. 5. Okay, so this is what AI is generating, and then AI does a pretty good job of kind of giving me the product name, so I don't, really don't have to go looking for it. It kind of knows what the product is. So this makes it really useful. Okay, so these are done. So mark these in red so we don't confuse them. Okay, then I'll paste the next font, paste these 10 over here. And this is how they were generated, and this is how they're, okay, so this is what we're working with. And then what we do is, so this is Arctic White finish multi-stacked on an exterior wall. So let's see if it's on an exterior wall. Okay, no, this is what I call a sample. So what I do is I just take the product name and I just call it sample. So it's Arctic White finished stack stone. It's not on an exterior wall, it's a sample. Okay. And then I go to the next one. So this one is the, says it's Mystery White Marble Slab. Let's see. Let's look at it. Sometimes I have a hard time getting this to go. X out. There. Come back. Okay, this is just a sample. Again, a lot of these I'm finding are samples. Okay, so once in a while you'll get one that is not a sample. Okay, but this one is Mystery White Marble, and it's just a sample. Just a product name and sample. Okay, and next one is a, so it looks like it's this product here. It's like a table, okay? And this could be considered an office, like a business office. So what I'll do, so this is a quartz countertop. It's Calcutta Duolina quartz countertop. So I'll say table in office. Okay, and so there's the next one. So here's our next one, Gel-Atlantic Granite. Okay, this is a sample. Shallow granite. Okay, 9-inch radius corner shell polished. Okay, so this is a sample. Okay, this is Renzo Sky Picket. Sample again. Sample. Copy. Calcutta Rumsey. Okay, this is a kitchen countertop in kitchen. Okay, so this one we go here, and let's see if we got it. It looks like we got it. Quartz countertop. You can leave this information here: soft white background and brown and gold veining in kitchen. So you can just leave that as is, no change required. Okay, so let's go to this one. Okay, this is a sample. Okay, so we just did this one. So it's a wood look tile sample. The last one is a sample. So it's Stellar White Quartz countertop sample. Okay. So this is so these are now all correct, and we have done 10. Oops, did that way. I just want to give it red text color so that we know that these are done correctly. Okay, and that's how this is done. Thank you.